In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer your USDT or any crypto coin from Bitget Exchange to Trust Wallet in very simple steps. I will also show you that which network you have to select for the less fees. So let's come on the Bitget application without wasting any time. So I have opened Bitget application on my cell phone. So to transfer USDT or any crypto coin from Bitget, first you have to come on the assets and here you have to click on the withdraw. So on the withdraw section, you have to select the coin which you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw my USDT, so I will select USDT. After clicking on the USDT, here you have to select the withdrawal type: on-chain withdrawal, internal transfer. So basically internal transfer means transfer crypto from Bitget account to another Bitget account. So if you want to transfer from Bitget account to another Bitget account, then you have to select the internal transfer. Otherwise, if you want to transfer from one exchange to another exchange or from exchange to any wallet, so you have to select on-chain withdrawal. I will click on on-chain withdrawal. After clicking on-chain withdrawal, here you have to see that we have selected USDT coin. On withdrawal network, here you have to select the coin in which you want to withdraw. So here you can see there are multiple networks. For example, here you can see TRC20, ERC20, BEP20. Every network has their own fees. So if you use TRC20, you have to pay $1 fees. But the benefit of TRC20 is that TRC20 network is available on every exchange. If you select BEP20, for which you have to pay $0.28 fee. But BEP20 network is not available on many exchanges. But if you want to transfer again on the Bitget after some time, then you can select the BEP20 because it is available on Bitget. It is also available on some other exchange too. So I will use BEP20. So here we need withdrawal address. So we will copy withdrawal address from the Trust Wallet. So let's open Trust Wallet application first. So I have opened Trust Wallet application on my cell phone. And here you have to select USDT BEP20 network USDT. And here you can see BNB Smart Chain. Click on it. So on the top you can see USDT BEP20 BNB Smart Chain. Click on receive because we are receiving USDT from the Bitget. Click on receive and here you can see we have address. Copy this address, come on the Bitget application, withdrawal address, paste your address here. Alright, now here you have to add the withdrawal amount, that how much USDT you want to withdraw. Using the BEP20 network, you can withdraw minimum $0.01. But I want to withdraw 5 USDT from here. And for this, I have to pay $0.28 fee. So amount will be received 4.71 USDT. If you are okay with this, click on withdraw. Now here the confirm order, withdrawal network, withdrawal address, coin, withdrawal amount, fees. I want to confirm. Now here you have to add the verification code which you will receive on the email and cell phone. Let me paste both codes. So I have put both codes. Click on confirm. Alright. So here you can see withdrawal order submit. Click on view status. Here you can see. Now here you can see order is submitted and currently it is on a pending status. Bitget Exchange provide you facility that you can cancel your order within 1 minute. But I don't want to cancel my order. So you have to click on the enable now, cancel withdrawal. After enabling this feature, withdrawal can be cancelled within a minute. Currently it is already off, so it is approved. Now it is processing. It will take couple of minutes to verify your transaction. Till you can subscribe this channel for more tutorials. And here you can see transaction success. We have successfully transferred 5 USDT from our Bitget Exchange to Trust Wallet. Let's come on the Trust Wallet application and confirm this transaction. Let me refresh this page. So here you can see we have received 4.71 USDT from Trust Wallet in few minutes. So I hope you liked the video. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. See you in the next video.